Welcome to Exam Sale. This script walks you through the syllabus for the Cisco Troubleshooting Cisco Data Center Infrastructure Exam, DCIT, so you know exactly what to study and why. Overview first. The exam is divided into 5 domains with exact weights as provided. Network carries 25%, compute platforms 25%, management and operations 20%, storage network 15%, and automation 15%. Each domain specifies difficulty, estimated learning hours, and assessment type so you can plan study time and hands-on practice effectively. Domain network is 25% of the exam, rated hard, with an estimated 45 hours of learning and hands-on plus conceptual assessment. You will learn to troubleshoot Layer 2 and Layer 3 connectivity in NXOS and ACI, including VTP, STP, LACP and diagnosing OSPF, EIGRP and BGP routing issues on Nexus devices. The study covers VXLAN BGP EVPN control and data plane failures, multicast flows and PIM neighbor problems, plus redundancy protocols such as HSRP and VRRP and loop prevention with OTV and VPC. You will also learn to analyze IPv4 and IPv6 unicasting consistencies and use APIC and NXOS tools to isolate FabricPath drops and endpoint connectivity problems. Domain compute platforms is 25%, rated hard, with an estimated 40 hours of learning and hands-on plus conceptual assessment. This domain focuses on Cisco UCS B series and C series, HyperFlex and Intersite ecosystems, teaching you to troubleshoot UCS manager discovery and server associations and resolve Fabric interconnect cluster and IAM connectivity issues. You will diagnose service profile association failures, VIC hardware and driver compatibility, firmware upgrade rollbacks and intersite claim and connectivity problems. The hyperconverged topics cover HyperFlex cluster installation, expansion and data ring health, replication and snapshot issues, plus analyzing server performance and hardware logs through CIMC and SEL. Domain management and operations is 20%, rated medium, with an estimated 30 hours of learning and conceptual plus scenario-based assessment. You will identify and resolve problems in monitoring and operational tools including SNMP, syslog and NetFlow, and troubleshoot Cisco NDFC, DCNM and Nexus dashboard health and synchronization issues. The domain covers AAA, RBAC and SSH access failures, NTP and PDP timing problems, and traffic capture analysis with SPAN, RSPAN and RSPAN to validate forwarding. In addition, you will learn security and maintenance operations such as COP, hardware rate limiting, ACL and port security misconfigurations, ISO and upgrade failures, keychain and protocol handshakes, backup and restore failures, and TrustSec propagation. Domain storage network is 15%, rated medium, with an estimated 25 hours of learning and scenario-based assessment. You will troubleshoot fiber channel and MDS-specific protocols, starting with FC initialization, FLOGI and PLOGI processes and zoning inconsistencies that impact host access. The syllabus includes NPIV and NPV login issues, VSAN trunking and F-port trunking behavior, name server registration problems and slow drain or B2B credit exhaustion scenarios. For FCoE and Unified Fabric you will analyze VLAN to VSAN mapping, DCBX and PFC negotiation failures, FIP snooping issues, VFC interface binding and multi-hop connectivity, plus SAN pin group and resource allocation troubleshooting. Domain automation is 15%, rated medium, with an estimated 25 hours of learning and scenario-based assessment. You will diagnose programmatic interface failures including REST API authentication, status codes and NX API or APIC API connectivity, and troubleshoot JSON and XML payload formatting and parsing errors. The automation topics cover Python script execution and library dependency failures, Ansible playbook runs and module errors, Terraform provider and state inconsistencies, and issues inside guest shell and bash shell environments on NXOS. Learning to parse API responses, validate automation workflows, and handle error codes will let you restore automated orchestration quickly. To conclude, follow the domain weights and estimated hours exactly when planning study time and labs. Prioritize hands-on practice for the 2 hard domains, network and compute platforms, and use scenario-based exercises for management, storage and automation to build troubleshooting speed and confidence. Good planning and steady lab work will prepare you to pass the DCIT exam.